Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and sometimes you're moving so fast you want to help your husband or boyfriend to keep up with you. So I want to make sure everyone takes a look at these SHULOOK men's hiking shoes. These shoes are great. Not only do they look absolutely gorgeous, I love the detail of the leather on the side. It has a nice, good smell to it, but I also just love the slight red details to it. So it's a nice, beautiful black look with a little bit of splash of red. I think it's just fun, but can handle anything that a hiking trail is going to throw at you. These are waterproof. You can immerse your foot fully in the water and you are going to take it out with dry socks, which is really nice when you're on the trail. It's impossible to avoid water, whether it's raining, you are crossing a creek, there's a waterfall, you are cooking at the campsite and you're gonna get water on your shoe. It happens all the time. And there's nothing worse than having soggy, wet, possibly cold socks. So these shoes are waterproof, they're windproof, they have great grip. It's going to grab onto any surface that you're walking on and give you that confidence. There's nothing worse than going out on a beautiful hike, enjoying the scenery, and then injuring yourself in the process. So you really need to make sure you have good quality shoes that are going to handle all that the terrain is going to throw at you. They are beautiful looking. You could almost just put these on if you are on a day trip doing a lot of walking because they look great, but then are ready for if you're wanting to last minute hit the trails. You're not going to have to worry about changing your shoes because these shoes can handle it all and look good doing it. But that's my point of view.